Have you ever plugged in a USB drive and noticed that it has less storage space than what was written on the packaging? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explain why this happens and what you can do about it. The first reason why your USB drive may have less storage space than what was written on the packaging is because of the difference between the advertised storage capacity and the actual storage available for your files. You see, USB drive manufacturers show the total amount of storage on the drive before any data has been added, called the unformatted capacity. However, once you start storing files, some of that storage space is taken up by the file system and other technical things. So the actual amount of storage you have available for your files is less than the advertised capacity. Another reason why your USB drive may have less storage space is because of the way storage capacity is measured. You see, storage capacity is measured in gigabytes, GB, or megabytes, MB, but these measurements are based on binary units. This means that 1 gigabyte of storage on a USB drive actually contains 1,073,741,824 bytes of data. However, most computers display storage capacity using decimal units, which means 1 gigabyte of storage is shown as 931,323,776 bytes of storage. The third reason why your USB drive may have less storage space is because of file system overhead. When you format a USB drive, you have to choose a file system. Each file system takes up a certain amount of storage space to manage the data on the drive, and this can be several gigabytes. This is called file system overhead. So, what can you do to make sure you have the maximum amount of storage space available on your USB drive? First, choose a file system with low overhead, like NTFS or exFAT. Also, try not to store files that are larger than the free space on your USB drive, as this can cause the drive to slow down. Finally, regularly delete files you no longer need to free up storage space. That's it. Now you know why your USB drive may have less storage space than what was written on the packaging and what you can do about it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video.